A Morehouse Design house is always gonna have a little bit of imperfection. I always want our houses to look beautiful and stunning, but almost that they've got like a little bit of dirt sprinkled on them. So they feel loved and they feel used. I am Blair Moore of Morehouse Design, and this is our ship captain's cottage in Southport, Connecticut. It's this beautiful, idyllic seaside town in a 1700s old ship captain's house. Totally my aesthetic. The interior people are my people. They're just everything that I was pulling against. It feels very natural for me. I grew up in houses that were always constantly being renovated. I had never lived in a finished space. You know, my dad's incredible details on millwork were something that I grew up in and something that really was a hard compass for who I am as a designer and sort of like the direction that I've taken this firm over the past 10 years. Our clients are really, really freaking cool. They really wanted to create a sense of historic presence. And so they really brought us on to visualize that historic importance back into the building. I really love to almost listen to what the house is saying to me. The house has its own story and has her own personality, and then the clients have their own personality. Behind these like really cool hidden doors is the smoking room. They are all paneled, you don't even see it. One is from the staircase, the other is from the living room. And you just like tap it and you would never even know the door existed. So we chose the Sterling collection in the color mocha for the smoking room. I really loved sort of that like lush ripple feel that it has, that striation in there, and sort of that blend between the modernity of the rug and the historic provenance of the architecture. So the dining room is one of my favorite spaces in the entire house. I really wanted the main direction of this space to really be about the reflection of light. The space was so light and bright that I wanted the rug to also emulate a little bit of light as well. And I think it's absolutely perfect. It just nailed the encasement of the room. So in the living room, I chose the Elma rug in wheat. I really loved the coloration there. We have sort of like wonderful mottling on the walls, on the plasterwork, this beautiful like dark, rich millwork detailing. And so I wanted the rug to feel a little bit modern, but still very lush. So the main suite is a very calm, serene space. It has a stunning view of the backyard off of that room. And for me, it was all about what is the calmness that I can bring in and how can I layer in sort of vintage and modern elements into this space. And then we layered in a beautiful modern rug from the Woods collection in color oatmeal that I really loved. The color sort of emulated the entire package of the room, from the wall tone to the bed tones. I always think a rug in a bathroom just brings a little bit more history into a space, and they always get way better with age. So unlike a bath mat that's almost like a throwaway nature, like a rug grounds a room. The more you use it, the better it gets. We're only put on this earth for so many years, but a house, it outlasts generations. And I think for me, I was truly put on this earth to add that history and add that love back into a house. I believe that the things that we surround ourselves with should be things that last for generations, things that we hand down. So like a beautiful rug is something that I would love to pass down to my son. I would love my clients to pass down to their kids and their kids' kids. Same thing goes with the chairs, and all of the details that we surround ourselves with should add history and add craftsmanship back into a space.